Beacon is an easy-to-use integrated communications tool that empowers you to do your job faster, smarter, and more efficiently. In Beacon, maintenance providers can utilize the Beacon Connect feature to share their capabilities, allow maintenance controllers to see their availability, and manage their team of technicians. This guide will show you how to log into Beacon, update your profile so maintenance controllers can find your details, and add your team technicians. If you have not yet received your Beacon login information, please contact team@beacon.works to get set up. As soon as you're approved and set up in Beacon, you will receive a welcome email. To log in, simply click the Get Started button in your welcome email. Enter your email address and temporary password and click Log In. Next, go to the Company Profile tab at the top of the screen. Some of your information was pre-populated when your account was set up, but you should update your basic information and make sure to add in your capabilities, photos, supported airframes, and most importantly, the stations you support. Those will be listed under Coverage. To update your details, just click Save. This information will be on your public profile and will be available to maintenance controllers you currently work with, as well as those operators who are looking to expand their network of maintenance providers. Finally, you must ensure that your technicians are listed in Beacon. Click on the Your Team tab at the top of the screen, then click on the Add Technician button next to the search bar. Enter their email address, then click Send. Your technician will then receive a link that will allow them to enter their information into Beacon. Congratulations, you're all set up. Your company can now be found by controllers and operators who are looking for support.